Ttaadc ni shakham bedego shebo khaina bagui koimung belai rinai rokni khainai 10 May 2022 chasalo khumulung health ni principal officer amjong najaknai post ni bagui total lekhamung hinte kaibroi gynecologist kaisa surgeon kaisa pediatrician kaisa MD medicine kaisa koimung belai rifuro supporting documents ni mani original tongna nangnai photo by baksa staff nurses stay lab technician rinai rokni interview ungnai token number 1 ni simi 100 jora interview date 10 May 2022 token number 101 ni simi 200 jora interview date 11 May 2022 token number 201 ni simi 300 jora interview date 12 May 2022 token number 301 ni simi 400 jora interview date 13 May 2022 token number 401 is simi 500 jora interview date 17 May 2022 token number 501 is simi 600 jora interview date 18 May 2022 token number 601 is simi 700 jora interview date 19 May 2022 token number 701 is simi 817 jora interview date 20 May 2022 lab technician rokni date hingke 21 May 2022 token number 1 is simi 50 jora time hingke 11 AM to 4 PM principal office health Ttaadc khumlungo najaknai